The end of a legendary era has arrived as the iconic former mob-favored Las Vegas casino, the Tropicana, officially closed its doors, April 2nd. After an almost 67-year run, the Strip's third oldest casino bid farewell to its guests. Plan place for its demolition in October to pave the way for a new $1.5 billion Major League Baseball stadium with a seating capacity of 33,000. This stadium will serve as the new home for the Oakland Athletics, marking Las Vegas's latest transformation into a premier hub for sports entertainment. With the Tropicana's closure, the only remaining Strip resort from the 1950s will be the Sahara Las Vegas. Since its grand opening in 1957, the Tropicana Resort and Casino attracted a plethora of A-list celebrities such as Elizabeth Taylor, Debbie Reynolds, Sammy Davis Jr., Frank Sinatra, and Dean Martin. At the time of its inauguration, the Tropicana was the most expensive Las Vegas resort ever built, boasting a hefty $15 million price tag. Its renowned Paris import, the Folies Bergère Cabaret, featuring feathered and occasionally topless performers, even made a memorable appearance in the 1964 Elvis Presley film, Viva Las Vegas. Magicians like Siegfried and Roy and Lance Burton launched their careers in its shows. Behind its glamorous facade, the Tropicana's history was tinged with ties to the mob. Weeks after the Tropicana debuted, mobster Frank Costello was shot in the head in New York. He survived, but police found in his coat pocket a piece of paper with the Tropicana's exact earnings and figures determining the mob's share of the profits. As for the future, the design of the new multi-deck ballpark stadium, envisioned by Bjarke Ingels Group architects, resembles either armadillos or being enveloped by vast white sails, inspired by curled baseball pennants that draw comparisons to the Sydney Opera House. Additionally, a new resort development by Bally's Corporation and Gaming and Leisure Properties, Inc. is in the works, promising further growth and excitement for the Las Vegas Strip. While we say goodbye to the Tropicana, its legacy will live on in the memories of those who experienced its magic firsthand. As Elvis once famously said, "Memories pressed between the pages of my mind, memories sweetened through the ages just like wine." And so, we raise a glass to the Tropicana Las Vegas, a true Las Vegas legend. Here's to the memories of the Tropicana and to the future of Las Vegas. Cheers. Like, comment, share, and follow myfaveplaces.com, because every place has a story.